been a few weeks, maybe a month and a half, and we've had a few retreats, and I got my tax season in, so I've been busy. So the garden's kind of turned into jungle a little bit, but we've harvested a lot of food out of here. Top row's just about finished, mostly broccolis and cauliflowers, still some cauliflowers coming in, probably clear some of these out. And then all this lower bed, you can see there's still a lot of fennel coming in, stuff's going to flower, lettuces are going to flower over on the far bed. But then now these brassicas and cabbages and stuff are starting to come in. We still have these fennels, celery, been using a lot of fennel, a lot of celery, and then a lot of cilantro, and arugula already came out of here. You can see this is arugula going to flower. And this is going to make cilantro seeds, coentro, yeah, for spices or for replanting. So I'll let a few of those go, and then I started weeding just a little bit, and then I'll go and weed the other side, and then we'll be ready for some of these second run plants like these brassicas and stuff, and these fennels are still going to come out. But it's time for me to get some new babies in here and plant some new food for the next few months.